Why do so many inventors lose money on their very first product launch? Is it because the idea is bad, or is something else going on? What if the real issue isn't the product, it's the order you're making decisions in? Here's what I see all the time. Someone files a patent before the design is even locked. They build a prototype before they know anyone actually wants it. Or they rush to a factory before the product is truly ready for production. Sound familiar? Those steps feel productive, but each one ties up real money in questions you haven't answered yet. And when the assumptions turn out to be wrong, you pay again to fix it. Sometimes twice, sometimes 3 times. The biggest mistake first-time inventors make isn't having a bad idea. It's doing the right things in the wrong order. Patent too early, prototype too soon, jump into manufacturing before you've validated the demand. And it creates this domino effect, where every later step gets more expensive, and every fix gets harder. The reality is product development is a sequence. Each phase is supposed to answer specific questions before you move on. When you skip the order, you're stacking risk on top of risk. At Rabbit, we see this constantly. Inventors come to us after their capital is gone. They spend it on patents that don't really cover the final product, prototypes for ideas that never found a customer, or tooling for designs that still weren't quite right. That's why we built our process around a simple 4-phase model: research and ideation, design and prototyping, sourcing and manufacturing, branding and marketing. Each phase has clear checkpoints, so you only invest when the answers are solid. And when you've got a team of senior engineers, averaging over 27 years of experience each, you're way less likely to repeat the expensive rookie mistakes. We've worked on more than 2,000 products, so we know exactly where first-time launches tend to go off the rails. The secret isn't just having a great idea, it's executing in the right order, with the right guidance at each step. If I were in your shoes, I'd make sure each phase is truly complete before spending on the next one. Because when you skip steps, you're not just risking a little money, you're risking the whole launch. If you want to see how we structure this and what it looks like for your product, click the link below to learn more. And if you want more content like this, subscribe, like, and ring the bell